Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play Africa by Toto on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key will modulate between the minor modes of A and E major. We'll start our song by going to 3 chords: A, G sharp minor 7, and C sharp minor 7. We'll play it this way. Here are those chord shapes. A major. That's pretty easy. We'll move up to G sharp minor 7 like this. Now I like that one because I get that G sharp bass note. Now all we need to do for that G sharp minor 7 is just to hold down these strings at fret 4. That's the D string down at fret 4. But I like this so I can have this bass note. So I'm going to play and then I'll move to a C sharp minor 7 like this. For that one, I'm borrowing from the A string down at fret 4. A finger goes to the B string at fret 5 and the D string at fret 6. Strumming from the A string. So I've got down, up, 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 down, and then I'll go to my G sharp minor 7 and then C sharp minor 7. Now if we count that part out in beats, it will go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that 4 times, and then we'll go into the verses. Now we'll do the verses. For the verses, we'll play a B major chord, F sharp, G sharp minor 7, A, E, G sharp minor 7, and then back to our main hook. Those chord shapes are B major. I'm holding down the A string at fret 2, and I'm borrowing from the D string down at fret 4, muting the high E string. F sharp, made this way. For that one, we're holding down the B and high E string at fret 2, the G string at fret 3, and the D string at fret 4, strumming from the D string like that. G sharp minor 7 again, A, E, a normal E chord, back to G sharp minor 7, and then our hook. And we'll immediately go back to our verse with the B chord. Here's how we'll play that part. We're going to strum each chord just once, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. our hook. Next is our pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we'll go to an F sharp minor 7 like this. We play that the same way that we played our G sharp minor 7, but our F sharp minor 7 is at fret 2. So we'll play then a D chord, A chord, E, F sharp minor 7, D, A, E, F sharp minor 7, D, A, E, and on the fourth time around, we'll play F sharp minor 7, D, A, then we'll go up to a C sharp 5, an E5, F sharp 5, G sharp 5, A5, and to hit it, slide it down like this. Then we'll go back into our hook again to restart the song. So it will sound something like this. Well, my friends, since all the parts are repeated, that's all you need to know in order to play Africa by Toto on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. 2, 3, 4.